In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in Square 2026 step by step. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to your Square dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your business overview, recent activity, and the main navigation. If you're working on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to make sure you're on the official Square site before you proceed. Once you're on the dashboard, take a second to let the page fully load so all your account controls are available. This helps ensure the sign out option appears right away and avoids any hiccups caused by a slow connection. Now look toward the top left corner of the dashboard. That's where your profile area appears in this layout. It may display your initials, a small avatar, or your business name. If your window is very narrow or zoomed in, you might need to expand the browser or reduce the zoom slightly so that the profile area is visible. Click your profile. When you do, a panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen showing your account options. Give it a moment to appear. Depending on your connection, the panel may slide in with a brief animation. If the panel doesn't show, refresh the page and try clicking your profile again. Inside that right side panel, find and click Sign Out. This is the key action. The moment you select Sign Out, your dashboard session will end in this browser, and you'll be redirected to a confirmation or login page. That immediate redirect is your visual confirmation that the sign out worked. If you had multiple Square tabs open in the same browser, they'll be signed out as well once you refresh them. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you're using a shared or public device, close the browser window after signing out to prevent anyone from returning to your session. If you use Square in more than one browser or device, remember that signing out here only affects the browser you just used. Repeat these steps anywhere else you're logged in. And if you don't see the sign out option, make sure the dashboard is fully loaded, your internet connection is stable, and that no extensions are blocking site panels from opening. That's all there is to it. You've signed out quickly and securely, and you can sign back in anytime when you're ready to continue working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.